Hey guys, Joe here. Welcome back to another video. We're in Harry's house right now, and Harry's doing a video with us. What you gonna say about that, Harry?
This is so glitchy.
It's not that glitchy, brother. You know, it's not actually that glitchy. Now, Harry hasn't actually explored much of this world, y'all. You know, he's not really done much. But, you know, we're the good stuff. Oh, damn. Not that again. This is the reason we have to actually make this world. He blew up the house. But I won't rebuild this house. You gotta do it, Harry. Oh yeah, I didn't actually get redstone for you, Mr. Baby. Right. Woohoo! There, the levers are there. Well, Harry was just saying how I didn't get him a lever, which is I don't really think that's true. But be in mind, you are in survival, and this is the time of the night. So I advise you go to my house to go to sleep. My house is the other way. It's across that bridge. Very good, very good. And do not go into the forest, for there are many monsters what awaits you in the forest. You're not getting hit by a cactus, are you? Look. See? No, that's just a large giant lava lamp. And that's just the stairs. Don't mind that. Don't mind that. Just go a different way. It's, nothing. Just, if you didn't mind, go a different way. God. You're not in creative, Harry. You're gonna get killed, Harry. Harry, that's endstone. Harry! Don't mind that. That's a hole to the end of the world. End of the world. It's the end of the... Oh, there's a creeper there. You better run. You better run. You better run to my house. It's that way. And then it's just like right there. Oh, there. Yeah, there it is. I advise you not to. There you go. Then there's my lovely beds. You can choose that outfit for the day as well. At the moment, I've got a grey outfit on. What outfit? Hang on, go back to game. What outfit would you like me to wear? I've got my grey one on at the moment. You just like, you do this, you take them off you, and then you put them into there. Well done, Harry. Then you click on the arm stand. Then, yeah. Then you, gotta get some food. And then the rest of the clothes, they're in the chest. Next to my bed. Yeah, and that's the junk dump. What you can do. I want that armor. Okay, then. Oops, you just clicked on. Good. Yes, the boots I always find are very hard. You can just click with them in your hand and then they go on you. So. Very well done, Harry. Not much has happened in this amount of time. Okay, we're done. You might want some food. What? No! I have food in there! Hang on, no, go that way. There's a farm. Get food from the farm. No! Get food from the farm! No! Just kill something or get food from the farm. No! No! Don't! No, I'm gonna just record your laughing now. So guys, don't. No. No. How mean are you, Harry? What? What you doing? What? Hey, that was a perfectly good bit of land. You just ruined it. This isn't working out very well. Do not even think about it. Sir, you're gonna get all that dirt now. You know you can just place the redstone block next to it, then it'll just explode. Kababoosh. What? Is that what you wanted to go into creative for? You could do that in survival. Why? But you've already got a mine in your house, right? I saw you putting mine carts down, though. With mine carts in. So, guys, Harry, you can just narrate for a while. No. Okay, there you go. Did Harry say anything good? I hope he did. That'll be good for my videos. Why don't you just break stuff? It actually takes a lot quicker. Yeah, or you could just turn on TNT. You know, you can just place a redstone block next to it. Then just roll it. See. Come on. You're just gonna waste this video on just blowing up and stuff. It's gonna be called the Great Hole. Or the Great Fish Tank. It's not copyright of my cousin's channel at all. Come a sloosh. Just fill the hole with TNT, Harry. Just do it. Just fill the hole. I thought it was at mine. You said it was gonna be a mine. Okay. Oh. That was Harry. You know, it wasn't me. You know. Don't put that in there, Harry. No. Well done. I already had an aquarium, but you know, you could do that too. You could try, Harry. You know, you need to sign me up to Xbox Live so I can actually play with you, though. You know, because that's what we set up this world for, playing with each other. But we could set up a different world for it, though. You know. Good job. I'm bored already. Well, we could play rock, paper, scissors. You could do this with recording, but you'd have to, do something else while the video's on. What are you doing, Harry? The video's still on, you know. Shut it down. Go. Duh. What? Guys. Mr. Ewan is here. Mr. Ewan, do you want to say something? Come on, Mr. Ewan.
Hi.
That was Ewan's breath that you just heard. It's very smelly. Oh look, Harry, there's the great smile. No, the great smile. No, not the great smile. No, the great smile. fell on Haley's gift shop. No, don't! No, please, no. I worked so hard on the Great Smile. But if you look at it from a distance, it really is quite nice. Can't stand down in there. Oh, it's not. It's that way.
Why did you make my house so far away?
It's not so far away, but you need to be away so you don't blow up my house again.
Where is it?
It's just haven't loaded in yet. You know? Look, we just visit Mandy while it's loading in. Look, there's the bridge. The bridge of fate. Aperture. Very much easies. Maybe we should end the video here. You know? Or do you want to show them the mine? It's a very nice mine, actually. Let's go in this mine. This little mine, this Harry made up. So let's just get down, you know. Blow it up! Blow it up! You know, in the Victorian age, they did the blowing up of mines. Did you know that? It's a real thing. They did, like, they threw dynamite in holes, and then it made a mine. So, guys, we might end the video here, right? Bye-bye. Okay.